Hello everyone, this is Eddie Davila with MGD Week 1, and for the first assignment we were to put together the elements that we're going to be using in the creation of our mobile game this month. And I'm going to run the application and follow the rubric requirements. So the application is structured efficiently and all the functions work properly, and all the elements required for the functionality have been added. The game contains a background image, as you can see. I'm using a black bar at the bottom for other controllers besides the shoot button. That is not very intuitive right now because the sprites, the sprite sheet that I'm using doesn't have all the required. I think I have it here somewhere. Okay, yeah. So it doesn't have buttons for shoot or anything like that. So I'm gonna have to create some of them. But anyway, we go back to the rubric, and the game contains at least 3 sprites. We have I'm counting the background as a sprite as well, but I have added 4 sprites, 3 that are animated and 1 that will animate based on the user's touch. I have implemented that. As you can see, it will go to a player's location. The game contains only 2 sound effects. Input is properly handled, so I'm gonna shoot the ball and we will hear a sound effect. Okay, so that's another sound effect that starts at the beginning of the game, and the second sound effect that is shooting the ball. So application effectively utilizes a third-party library to build a mobile game. I'm using Texture Packer. It's basically the quickest and the most efficient way to generate your sprites and at the same time manage the amount of memory, the amount of RAM that each image uses, because Texture Packer can pretty much trim empty space. So, and it's very easy to export directly into the project. Let me see, the code is well formatted. Yeah, my code is pretty neat. Right now it looks pretty clean. Everything has a comment. Most of it does anyway, where you can see where I load the background image, a button, sprites, actions, updates, collision, and the collision as well. When we start the game, and this is a soccer game obviously, but if the ball reaches the end, I will have to set up a goalie right here. But if the ball reaches the end, you win. So it's detecting the floor and the end, and it'll also detect the players. So if I shoot and one of the defenders touches the ball, I lose. So other than that, very entertaining week, but because of time I'll have to cut it short. Thanks very much for watching. Eddie Davila with MGD Week 1. Have a good one.